On today's show, Barb and I are going to make a sheet pan sweet Italian sausage with veggies. It's a simple, quick meal, but it will be filling and delicious. So let's get started. Hi everyone, welcome back to the Diabetic Diet Show. And here's Barb with the question of the day.
The question of the day, do you like Brussels sprouts? If you like Brussels sprouts, give me a thumbs up.
Our ingredients are a can of PAM spray to spray your cooking sheet to start with. And by the way, did you know that Reynolds aluminum foil, they say, to put the shiny side out because they put a coating on it which helps to keep the food from sticking to it. Now this particular one is Sara Lee, which is Albertson's grocery store line, and I don't believe, but you never know who makes it even on a private brand label. Next we have some Italian seasoning. This is my Carrabbas that I reverse engineered. And we have some carrots. It's a brand new package of carrots. And I've been buying these shredded ones lately. Just makes it so much easier when you're making meals. You know, some things you want to do yourself and some you don't. Like I don't make my own potato salad. Some stuff it's easier to buy it pre-made. And Brussels sprouts. These are a frozen bag of Brussels sprouts. And of course, normally you would throw these in the microwave, but I'm going to do them like this. My oven has just come up to temperature. I have it preheating to 425 degrees. Now my onions, normally I only cut the onions with a plus sign, and that's because I put them in a chopper or a grinder, blender, whatever you want to call it. Okay, today, because they're going out on a cookie sheet, I cut them across another time. So I basically did the plus twice. So I have them cut up smaller. But you know, you don't want them cut up too small because doing that, they could burn. So you want to break these apart. If anything, that's the hard part. Just pulling a fresh onion apart. It's a little easier when they get a little older. There we go. Just like that. The rest of this we can pitch. Now we have Italian seasoning has to go in, and you want quite a bit. Olive oil. I'm using a garlic mushroom olive oil. The measurements for all this will be down below there where it says the Diabetic Diet Show. If you hit the more button, you'll see the ingredients. And then you want to mix these, toss them just like you're doing a salad. Next we need to do the Italian sausage. And we'll just cut open the package. Just like that, and let's get the olive oil opened up. And then I always keep nearby gloves. I wished I would have used them a minute ago when I did that mix. It's so easy because you put the glove on, you do what you want to do, and then you throw the glove away, and you can just kind of keep going with this. Just like that, olive oil. And then the mix. And then I'm going to throw it in the oven. It'll probably take about 30 minutes. The timer is about to beep. I've already checked the temperature once, and they were up to the 175 standard. So I just turned off the oven. I let them sit there for just a little bit just to finish warming up, and we'll check them one more time. That looks great. Wow. They look really good. And I like to lift them up just so I can reassure myself that I'm not touching the pan when I'm checking the temperature. Here is my plan. I am going to move all the vegetables over to the left, and I'm going to park all the sausages on the right to make it easy to serve this up. And then grab a dish, just like that. Smells delicious. Well, here we go. That's the show for the day. I hope you've enjoyed watching. I've had a good time making this for you, and if you'd like to see some more recipes like this, here's a couple more just like it.